guys, today was a great day to be a Dollar Tree shopper. Yes! So I just got out of the Dollar Tree, so I have a bag full of goodies to share with you guys. I am so excited about this haul. So, Rachel, if you're watching, your YouTube name is Tin Man something. I can't remember what it was, but she emailed me asking for Mitchum coupons, and I don't know what I was doing, but for some reason I thought it was coupons from like a past insert, but they're coupons from this Sunday, coming this Sunday. So I was like, when I looked in the inserts, because I picked up 3 newspapers at my Dollar Tree, it's early Sunday edition at the Dollar Tree, and I saw the Mitchum coupons and I immediately thought of her. So I was like, okay, I gotta get these because I need to send those to Rachel because she asked for Mitchum coupons. So Rachel, if you're watching, I have 4 Mitchum coupons coming your way. So I know what it's like to have a dad and a brother who only use a specific type of deodorant. My brother will only use Degree. I don't know like what his deal is. So it's only Degree. He will only use Degree deodorant. So when I get a good deal on Degree, I stock him up crazy. But yeah, I will be sending those Mitchum coupons to you. So I'm gonna wait till Sunday because I get a newspaper delivered to my front door. So I'm gonna snag you the Mitchum coupon that comes in my Sunday newspaper, and then I'll send 4 off to you guys. So if you guys don't use Mitchum and you want to send them to my P.O. box, I will then send them to Rachel so she can stock her dad and brother up with Mitchum like crazy. Let's get Rachel Mitchum wasted. So first thing I picked up is this little welcome sign. It has the scarecrow. It says welcome on it, and this guy is gonna go right on my front door. I thought it was super cute. And then I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do with pineapple string lights, but I knew that I had to have these, so I found these. They also had flamingos, and I think they had unicorns, but I got 2 packs of these string lights, of pineapple string lights. I had to have those, of course. And then I picked this up for Llewellyn because it just screamed Llewellyn, and it says create your own sunshine. So I have a little box going to Llewellyn pretty soon, so I picked this up for her. What I love so much about the Dollar Tree is that I see things that remind me of my friends all the time, and my friends make me so incredibly happy. So I pick things up every single time I see it for them. And then this is a new notebook that I found, and it says, "This is my lucky notebook." Now, I only found 1 of these. So if you guys find these at your Dollar Trees, pick one up and send it to me because this is going to be my new couponing notebook. So this is my lucky notebook. So I need to have as many of these because couponing, it's just luck. I love couponing, and it gives me so much luck. So I feel like this needs to be my official couponing notebook. There's only 60 sheets, so your girl's gonna plow through this pretty quickly. So if you guys spot these, send one to me, please. And then I found some more notebooks. So I picked a few of them up, actually. I picked one up for Nicole because I don't know if she has snagged these yet, but if she comes back to me and says she did, then I'm going to put it in a giveaway. But I picked this one up for Nicole. It says Gather, and it is a notepad. You know, we're crazy about that farmhouse life, so I picked this up for Nicole. And then I also picked this up for myself. But then I also picked this one up for you guys, and it just says, always be humble and sweet. So it's a notepad and pen. So how many times are you like rummaging through your kitchen and you're like, I need a pen and a paper, I need a pen and a paper, and you never have one? I always will send random text messages to people because I don't have a notepad and pen. So if I have to write a phone number down or if I need to write a date down, I will just text message people my notes basically. But yeah, I got that for you guys. And then I also picked this one up for you guys too. It says love. It has the wreath. It's black and white. It screams Magnolia Homes, Magnolia Farms. What is the chip in? See, I'm not even educated with this whole farmhouse thing. The Magnolia Homes, I think that's what it is. Anyways, so I also got a window marker. I'm not going to tell you guys why I have this because I'm kind of keeping it under wraps, but I'm going to need that in a few weeks. And then I also picked up this Armor All multi-purpose auto cleaner. So your girl needs to clean her car. I have not cleaned my car since we purchased it in April. Shame on me. So I picked this up just to go ahead and stick into my glove box, center console, which I just did right now. And then I also picked up these Driver's Choice Protectant Wipes. So it is a wipe to clean like your dashboard and all that stuff. So that's gonna go in the center console as well. I will get around to cleaning that. I have not been able to light my candles at home. I have like 1,000,001 candles and I haven't been able to light them because I didn't have another one of these guys. So my flame stick finally went out, so I picked up a new one. Hopefully the Dollar Tree ones work well. And then I picked up 2 decorative bows. So it's burlap and orange. There's a little bit of glitter. I really don't like glitter, but I will make it work. And then I picked up some of these signs. So I picked one up for myself. It says thankful and blessed, very farmhouse. There's the galvanized tin leaf right up at the top, that farmhouse writing. And also, oh, Nicole just got back to me, so she did get that notebook. So I'll have an additional gather notebook going in the giveaway box for you guys. So, okay, so back to the pumpkin, back to the farmhouse pumpkin. Okay, so thankful and blessed. So I picked this guy up. I picked this up for myself, and then I picked one up for Nicole because I knew she was gonna love this and I didn't know she had it. She got back to me. She said she's been looking for it. Nicole, I found your unicorn. It's yours. It's going in the mail sometime. Hopefully I'll get it to you before the fall time is over. Watch, I'll send this to you at Christmas time. No, I won't. You know what? I'm gonna get your box out this week because you need to get this pumpkin set up at your house in time for fall. So your girl's gonna send it to you this week. I promise. I promise I'm gonna send you that box. Okay, so I got some window decoration. This is the Give Thanks. So it is window clings for Thanksgiving. So like I'm learning with the Dollar Tree, when you see stuff, you just gotta grab it. So I grabbed it. And then I picked up a metal wreath hanger for over the door. These are so expensive if you get them at Michael's. So I picked one up for $1. Yep, I think they're probably around the neighborhood of $10 if you get them at Michael's. And then I picked up 3 calendars because you know what? 2019 wall calendars are great gifts to snag now and save for Christmas. So I picked up 2 of these inspiration ones, and on the back, Vanessa from Lemonade Mom, if you haven't seen this, you need to get to the Dollar Tree. It says enjoy little things. So I know that's like you're saying, Vanessa. So you should definitely grab this calendar. You should take that little art out of here and make yourself your own wall decor. So you could use this obviously as a calendar, but there are so many great inspirational sayings on here that you absolutely could, like, you know, repurpose these and put them in an office or your bedroom or your bathroom or wherever you want to put wall art, and just have some really nice positive quotes going on. And then I also got this one as well. So it is the Brave at Heart one, and I just love the sayings that are on the back of them. So one says, stop saying I wish, start saying I will, brave at heart. Love is an adventure, be an explorer, live, laugh, love, make the choice to believe in your dreams, live your dream. And it has a little bicycle. Nicole, you'd be all about the bicycle right there. I don't know if you can see it. Also, be the best version of you, always be kind, beautiful minds inspire others, you are perfect just the way you are, keep calm and pick flowers, follow your heart. So I thought that there were some great sayings. And on the inspiration one, it says, cherish today, love begins with a beautiful mind, make your own luck, think happy, be happy, enjoy the little things, keep smiling, say yes to adventures, dance like no one is watching. Love that. Every moment matters, take time to make your soul happy. Yes. Let your ideas bloom, live a good story. So I thought that these were great calendars. I picked them up, saving them for Christmas time, and I will gift them to people that I see fit. So, and then I also picked up 3 newspapers. So Rachel, I am so excited I get to send you those Mitchum coupons. So this is my Dollar Tree haul for the week. I am still stuffing that box for the Dollar Tree. So I'm thinking maybe next week might be the week, or maybe the week that I'm going to be in Vegas. Maybe I'll make that be my giveaway week. So my husband and I are going to Vegas the end of August. So yeah, I think I'm going to make that be my giveaway week. So definitely stay tuned. So definitely stay tuned and look out for that giveaway, because it's going to be a huge Mama Jamma Dollar Tree giveaway. I still have some room to stuff in the box, so I'm going to keep on stuffing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and let me know what you are looking for at the Dollar Tree. Let me know what your favorite items are from the Dollar Tree. And as always, I am so incredibly thankful for how welcoming this Dollar Tree community has been. You guys are so fun, and you guys understand this wacky and crazy obsession of the Dollar Tree. And I also want to add in, I am working with a company called Rags and Royal. So it is a t-shirt company, and they just launched a new shirt right now, and it's called Mom Tuition shirt. So she's having a promo running this weekend only, so it ends on Sunday. So you can get the new shirt for $19.88, and then if you put my name in the notes, she's going to send you guys a free gift with purchase. So I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to that shirt, and also I'll go ahead and insert a picture of what the shirt looks like. So if you guys want to see what it looks like, it's so cute. I already ordered one for myself. And this company is the maker of the Target Mom shirts, so definitely go and look at her stuff. Her t-shirts are super duper cute, and I am really new to Rags and Royal, so I didn't know about her until probably 2 weeks ago, something like that. So I saw her shirts pop up on Instagram, and then I applied to be part of her social media team, so she accepted me into that. So thank you so much, Monica, for that. And I'm really excited to be working with her. She's another Southern California mama, so I'm all about supporting mom entrepreneurs. I'm all about that. So if you want to support a small mom-owned business, and I'll go ahead and leave a link to her site below, and definitely go and snag your Mom Tuition shirt and leave my name in the notes, and then you guys are going to get a free gift with purchase. So I will talk to you guys all later. I also have a new Stitch Fix video up, so if you guys haven't seen that, definitely check that out. I have, what else do I have? I have a Physicians Formula mascara first impression. I have my CVS in-store video up. So I have so many videos up on my channel. Definitely go and catch up on my videos if you haven't already. Click that red subscribe button, ding the notification bell, because apparently YouTube has been unsubscribing people. So just make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.